So let's discuss about new chapter about the map. So a map is a representation and a drawing of the earth's surface with a part of its shown on the flat surface according to the scale. So this is something like physical map, like maps showing the natural features of the earth, such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, are called the physical or relief maps. Political maps showing the cities, towns, and villages and the different countries and states of the world. Semantic maps, some map focus on specific information such as road map, rainfall map, map showing the distribution of forest. Industries are known as thematic maps. So table title is given the basis of information provided on these maps. There are three components of map: distance, direction, and symbol. So scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Like this is a ratio. Like let's say the distance between your school and home is 10 kilometer. If you show this 10 kilometer, the distance by the 2 centimeter on the map, it means 1 centimeter on the map shows the 5 kilometer. So on the ground, the scale of the drawing will be 1 centimeter is equal to 5 kilometer. So this is the important one. When the large areas like continent and countries are to be shown on paper, then we use a small scale. When the large area in the continent are shown on the paper, like then we use a small scale. For example, 5 centimeter shows that the 5,000 kilometer, sorry 500 kilometer. When the small areas like villages or town is to be shown on paper, then we use a large scale. That is 5 centimeter on the map shows as 500 meter. It's a large scale map. Yeah, right. So direction. Most map contain an arrow marked on the letter N at the upper right of hand corner. This arrow shows the northern direction. So yeah, this is a very important point. Yeah. So it is called northern line. Let's say this is the particular map. There's a well, shop. These are the paths. This is community center. This is playground, school. This is meter. One scale is equal to 10 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter. So north, south, east, and west. These are cardinal points. They are called cardinal points. Called as a cardinal point. And the other four intermediate directions are northeast, southeast, northwest, etc. We look at any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions. Gadi. Symbol, it is the third important component of map. It's not possible to draw a map with the actual size and shape of the different features, such as building and etc. The symbols give a lot of the information with the limited space. So we are using basically symbols in the map for building etc. to know the areas. Like there's an international agreement regarding the use of symbols. These are called the conventional symbols. So these are according to international agreement, conventional symbol. ये symbols are. The various colors used for the same purpose. Like for example, generally blue used for showing the water bodies, brown for mountain, color for plateau, and the green for plains. A sketch is drawing mainly based on memory and sports observation, not on the scales. A plan is drawing of small area on large scale, and the large scale map give a lot of information. There are certain things that may sometimes want. So this is the chapter number